Hey, wendoda udlile. Ha. Histories. Sihambele. Ha. Isichofa sidang. Ha. Anibukeni mathi bwana story. Bwana story. Ha. Salala weshwele. Athi nisibuyise. Bukani phela. Imhlola. Yebi yababa. Sabuyi. Saza kimi. Haze nguzwe. Nangelanga lomhlola. Ho.
Sibo.
Yeah, mntakwethu sawubona.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm all right. Are you playing games or you just chilling?
I was chilling, but we can try one. It's fine.
One. Okay.
Comrade udlile. Wasutha. Comrade udlile na hawu wasutha.
Tanaka, how are you not in my gift gallery? Tana, how are you?
Hayi bo madoda. Njoba sihleli vele kade sagcina nokudlala. Azizame noma into ethi ayifane nesibhaqwe kanje madoda. Double tap the screen thina bafethu abanye. Ama roses nje kuphela.
3 people with roses, guys. 3 people with roses, guys. 3 people.
Asambeni
Guys,
madoda.
3
Ama
people
roses
with
nje
roses.
namadonas.
3 people, guys.
Ama roses
I mean
namadonas.
triples. Sorry, guys. I just zoomed out. Hi, Spike. Spike, those days you don't even greet me. Not even a hi. Hi, Lizzie. How are you? No problem,
Hey,
Tana. Guys,
comrade
everybody, let's
udlile.
double tap the screen. Hello,
Wasutha yini?
Spike.
Comrade udlile na. Wasutha.
Spike, some of the people I don't mind, but you I mind. You I mind if you don't greet me. Guys, can we all double tap the screen and share the live? Please.
Asambeni madoda. Asambeni. Kunini ngigcinile kodwa masizungu neshini amahle madoda. Kade ngimgcinile.
Guys, 3 roses from 3 different people, okay? 3 roses from 3 different people, guys. 3 roses from 3 different people.
Come on, asirisheni target. Wonke umuntu
3
akasend rose
roses, chat. Guys, drop a rose, everybody.
Mfethu. Ishuta
Guys,
ngama rose.
drop one rose, or a heart me, guys.
Asambeni bafethu. Cala ama rose amathathu.
Thank you so much, yes. 2 more people, guys.
Fire rose, come on, nakho akushoda amabili.
Guys, just drop a rose, even if we don't use the speed. Let's play. Thank you so much, Mpofu. 1 more rose.
Oyedwa omunye umuntu akasend rose. Come on bafethu.
1 more rose. One more. Guys, somebody send a rose.
Egcina madoda. Eyodwa nje rose. Come on.
Rose.
How madoda?
Thank you, NST. Thank you, Tana. Thank you, guys. Guys, donuts and above all the speed.
Iyo lento engenza ngingasadlali lezi insuku. Ngivele ngibhoreke nje. Masihlula ukurecha ngisho target yama rose amathathu. Hayi babhem. Ziyangidlisa. Kuvele ukuthi ngingabe ngisadlala ngiphume ku live. Ubone izigcinene ukudlala. Ngibhorwa nje lokhu ukuthi ama rose aswa rich. Ama targets aswa rich. Kodwa ke double tap the screen asiqhubekeni sihambeni. Lo muntu uzoba no times 3 guys sina ngesibe nawo. Ngenxa nje rose uzungineshi. Lapho niba 160. Ay. Bukani manje no times 3 lo muntu. Sodliwa nje ngenxa ukuthi ngifulwe irose. Hayi madoda ngeke mina ngiphoxa. Angifuni ukungasho. Ngiyangiphoxa. Makhulu abantu abangiphoxayo ke inina lapha. Ngifike late. Cha welihle ngiphoxeke ngiyafa Izungu Nation. Kahle hle ukuthi Izungu Nation asisenayo. Kodwa phela nginijumile shemyazi. Ufika usisi singadlali besihlalele. Sengamane nginijaje nje kodwa ngiyanijaje ngenihlula amaroza amathathu. Comrade udlile yini? Wasutha. Udlile, hawu, wasutha, hawu. Hawu udlile na, wasutha. Comrade udlile na, wasutha. Konje ubani obesidlala ngayizolo? Siphe sihle. Siphe mkazi. Manini ngoba sesikhona ke nenenthe beningekho. Usuphelile times 3 la. Can somebody snipe? Hi bo, who is that? Zizi, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Asibalekeni ke madoda uZizi usesilwelileke singabe savuma ke madoda. Singacekeli phansi amandla kaZizi. Let me follow you Zizi. Thank you so much. Asidlaleni ke mawala sonke ke madoda sibambisane. Sina abanye si double tap screen. Busathi uyacomplain. Nabengisa complaina. Cabanga kube le gifts kaZizi ingene ku times 3. Uyazi ukuthi ngabe sihleli ku1000 njengamanje. Nangebuya. Madoda wathatha usidlulile manje. Buya phela. Snipe lapho madoda. Snipe. Awu. Sasa wayeka amandla kaZizi. Sasa sawayenzela phansi amandla kaZizi.
Thank you, Sibo.
Let's go for another one, for last one.
You said one.
Okay, it's fine. Wa kuligwala sekuthi said one kuyabaleka. Bafethu ngiyacela phela asikwazi ukuluza imatch umuntu esefaka igift enkulu kangaka yani. Awu madoda. Musana kuyidlisa team. Okay, nice. Usiphe usekhona. We have uZizi. We have the Dube sisters. Who else is sniper set khona njengamanje? AK Fire. Yo.
Even go, yeah. Hi,
Hi, how are you?
okay, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
Okay, Anthony, you're welcome, guys. Let's start the screen, please.
Bengamlindelele umuntu bafethu kuzoba no times 3 very soon. Kuzoba no times 3 very soon. Very soon uzoqala times 3. Yabo lama gift athe faka ueasy. Ngathi singafaka lo times 3 because azophinda kathathu. Muke uqalile times 3 asifayina ama gift, ama donuts, ama caps nale faka uZizi. Come on guys, let's go. Donuts and caps. Donuts nangebaleka ke madoda. Nawe faka idonuts isimkhuphi. Ningamiyeki. Danko, let's go. Thank you. Let's move. What times 3 right now? It's times 3. Donuts and caps. Donuts and caps, bafethu. Sambeni. Ishakeja lekazi zingene just a little bit later, but it's fine. Thank you so much. Double tap the screen, guys. There's gonna be a time something coming. Low time something coming. Let's please shoot up. Let's please shoot up. Or let us shoot up, please. Mntana mawavala umnyango. Kuno times 2 ozayo. So yonke into oyisendayo izobe times 2. Let's ensure to reach the target. Ngizodinga futhi ama rows awu3 kubantu abawu3 abahlukene. Wonke umuntu akasende 1 rose, please. Let's go. Nakho ilokho ebengufuna nje. Easy, simple like that. Reach the target. Simple as that. Ilokho nje ngikuthandayo nkabuzami. Isi-reach target. Kalula. Singasokolela ama rose amathathu. Hayi, nkabuzami. Njengamanje angazi singenza kanjani, but bengifuna siyohlala ku1000 ema coins. Nanguthuli. Yini ungaphendula ama message ami wena Thuli? Ngikusendela message la wangangiphendula. Kodwa ke ngoba usukhona. Happy to see you. Khona umuntu angekho happy ongekho man. Uchebe Nosiles Entle. Times 2, guys. Let's shoot up. Times 2. Let's shoot up. Kade wasesihlukunyezwa. Ake sinqabe nje ukuhlukunyezwa this time around. Njobe efaka umuntu ngale lo muntu uzodlala bafethu. Uzodlala lo muntu lona bafethu. Asambeni madoda. You've been a big player, Zizi. Thank you so much. Asambeni madoda. Asambeni times 2. Thank you so much, Zizi. Zizi yasathi yo wazwangilekelela. Bengiyini ngangigcine nje ukuwina. Guys ningamyekeleli. Simlekelele uZizi. Siwinini lama match, please. Here usekhulile bothuli. Ngiyambingelela akavumi. Guys, please double tap the screen. Double tap the screen. Double tap the screen. I followed you, Shamas. Double tap the screen, Mafutina Bani. Let's double tap the screen. Let's double tap the screen. Mfethu ngiyalahalela nje 1000 namhlanje. 1000 something nje lapho kuma coins. Siwine nje nga 1000 something. Asimshayine ngakabuyi. Akabuye sesiku 1000 something. Asambeni. Akabuye sesiku 1000 something. Asambeni. Manje mosemgwaqeni uyebo. Unzima uyebo. Ngiyakubingelela ngiyakujabulela uthule wena semgwaqeni. Wakhula Thuli. Wakhula. Oh, the Vivalicious match with Duty. How siyabonga bakithi. Duty was nice. Duty was amazing yesterday. Zizi. Guys, let's all follow Uzizi, guys. She's been a big player today. Benolihle. Come on, let's go. Let's follow these two. Ngeke. Let's follow Uzizi. Let's follow Ulihle. Watch out benga snipe, because snipe sala singathi 1.2. Please asihlale 1.3 noma 1.250. Watch out for the snipe. Watch out for the snipe. Watch out for the snipe. Watch out. Watch out. Danko. This is Nolihle. Thank you.
Guys, I thought we were going to snipe over here. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ginger, Sunshine, Anthony. I appreciate. More hope.
Who got a glove?
Let's try.
I can't see.
You have
Who got a glove?
Your network is bad, though.
Who got a glove, guys?
Stibo, your network is bad. I can't see you. Oh. Guys, please, can we tap the screen? It's not
Let
bad.
me use my data.
Stibo, your network is bad if you can hear me. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. First give doubles, guys.
Times 2, guys.
Bernard, guys, I want
No, is nakho ke. Zizi nakho. Ngangumswipe ashayeni lo muntu times 2 madoda. Shine lo muntu madoda, shine lo muntu sinama glove manje. Uyothi wabonana mfazi ongazalanga. Keep you good. Relented Mr. Zong. Thank you so much. Guys, double tap the screen, let's move. Okay. Easy. Kulo time something ozayo.
Guys, don't miss out.
So guys, we're playing on the glove. It's gonna be 60 seconds.
Thank you so much.
Uzothinda nje glove ezobila phezulu.
They're playing, no?
Mtulist kodwa usalinda times 3 nandoda. Hawu chana. Awusalindi ngani times 3 na?
5 triples. We need 3 roses, guys. For triple. 3 roses,
How
guys.
lighting. Guys, 3 roses. Yes, but I don't know how lightning works. Uyayithinta nje lightning. Yeah, ngazi ngiyenzani kodwa nje mangithi ifake. How uthuli bafethu cabangani kube leya Galaxy ingene times 3 on a glove ngabe 5,000 low. Ah shit. Ngabe 5,000 coins bengekabuyi. Maqala times 3 Zizi please put on your glove. Uyazi ngithi usifaka kanjani iglove yakho? Uzofika kube ibox le, uyithinta ibox kuzovela exclusive. Ngale ka exclusive content encane uzothinta lapha izovela inqinde pink uthi send bese thina sonke sizothinta iglove ezobe lapha ezikwekhanda. Uyayithinta iglove usend gift khona lapha kwiglove. Thina abanye mhlambe ngama donuts abaningi. Ama donuts multiply ka ngo times 5. So mengene awu 5 ilandelana ayathi times 5 futhi bese siyagijima ke. You are screenshotting me that side.
Oh, no. I saw something. That's why I took a screenshot.
Okay, let's go, Zizi. Glove, please. Nakia, touch the glove, everyone. Play donuts.
Oh, if I
Touch
want to
the
come
glove,
back for you
everyone.
because you give
Play
me, I just need
donuts.
to come back for you. That's all. I'll come back for you.
You wanna
I will
come back
not
for me?
If I want to, I will. It's not. I don't have to keep.
That's
screenshots.
very
I'll
fine.
just come and read that. There's
Come on,
somebody that
guys.
wants to
Donuts
go.
on the glove. Donuts
That's
on the
all.
glove. Donuts on the
Nana,
glove. Please play donuts on the glove. Donuts on the glove. Buka le Galaxy manje athi ngabe ngena manje. Nakho guys, donuts on the glove. Let's go. Let's move. Donuts, donuts, donuts. Don't you remember me, AK? You've been playing me before.
I know that's what I'm saying. So I won't screenshot it because I want to come back and beat you. That's why I said I'll just wait, and then I will catch you. I won't even tell you I want to beat you. I'll just come back one
Last time
day.
was the same story. You came in, I gave you the thing, you left.
Because I always play you when I finish a big game. I don't know why. When my people have played something.
Out Tuli. Thank you so
Well,
much, my MVP.
This is not so much for my people to
Tuli is on the
actually can win
lead.
this.
Zizi is just right behind Tuli. Lihle is behind Zizi. Nami is how Nami. Nami is behind Lihle. Asekhona. Melanin, Apile Biela, Strepe, Nana Job, Samgelisiyo Madondo. Thank you so
But
much.
it's true,
Guys.
we
Thank
never
you so
played
much.
with Tibo, guys. Like, we used to fall our hand in this side every time. We come here with nothing and leave with nothing, guys. Why?
Usethi scheme man. Wethuli uye kufaka ama Galaxy kungekho speed ne glove, please.
No.
Faka ama Galaxy ku speed na kwi glove. Hayi ihamba yodwa nje. Ngifuna ivele ithi qho. Sebekhohliwe igama lakho. Cabanga Thuli.
Somebody
There is a
else!
girl named Uwano. Yes. A day before yesterday, we were playing against her.
Somebody
I
else,
was playing
guys.
noStuduzo, but edlalelwa umuntu kuthiwa Uwano. Ngingasashoti ngawe kanje. Ethi akakusabi. Bethi abantu uzobuya uThuli athi angimusabi umlethe. So it was supposed to be match yakhe nawe izolo, and then I was busy. I had a gig yesterday to attend. Thank you so much, guys.
But
Thank
can
you
we
so
even
much.
play one game with him?
So we have
We
a
always
glove.
do.
Thuli, you have a glove. Zizi, you have a glove and a
Please.
lightning. Sorry?
Guys, let's play even if it's one game. We always play when we reach here, we'll not even do anything at all. Please, guys, let's try. Daughter of one.
Ngiyakutshela Thuli. Edlala Uwano mfethu vele sithi siyabaleka siya 2000 avela snipe ngo last 3 seconds athi 4000 sithi siya 4000 athi 5000 ethi nje uThula ngimesabi usho nje kanje utshele bezla noStuduzo futhi so izolo kube ngazathi babalekelile guys. Donuts and caps it's times 2. Donuts and caps times 2. Ngifuna simshaye aza aphathwe inzukuzwana aphathwe isiyezi ntombazane bakithi agule athi ngifakele lightning uzoyifaka kwi speed sesibili nansi ki lightning, so everything you send is multiplied by 2. Donuts, can we play with donuts, guys? Because everything you send, oh, what the fuck, guys? Zoom Nation unomaster ngale bafethu asimsondeleni mawala ke manje ke asimkhipheni ukusa noma engano master unomuntu oyedwa angezidlwe singomuntu oyedwa thina ngezidlwe umuntu oyedwa kukhona uThuli kukhona uNcami kukhona uZizi kukhona uLokhunjana ubani khona de ngisho manje bakithi kukhona ulihle khona ulisa madoda ningavumi. There's a times 2 coming where you're gonna put on your glove sonke we're gonna play on the glove. Ama-donuts, ama-caps, ama-galaxies. 3 roses. Reach the targets real quick. Reach the targets real quick. Wo ncami babili manje. Uyobeyaganga. Siyobe siyaganga amadoda singavuma sijwayele kabi. I'll put my glove. Okay, so sebenzisela i-glove kalihle bafethu. It's gonna be a fast speed, guys. So lihle umkanje njengamanje ulindele ukuthi ngithi send. Ungabisadlala ima kanje eglavini. Ulindele ukuthi ngithi send. Thina sonke we're playing on the glove. Donuts, guys. Please. Real quick, udlale fast. Ama-galaxy angene bafethu. Let's go let this. Nakia, put your glove on. Put your glove on. Put your glove on, mtanam. Nakia, let's play on the glove, guys. Touch the glove. Donuts and caps. Donuts and caps. Galaxies, gun machines. Come on, let's move. Ningayinaki into yehema. Touch the glove sidlaleni bafethu. Touch the naziya nakho-ke ncami. Guys, touch the glove, let's play. Touch the glove, let's go. Usaseduze kakhulu umuntu uzosniper nge-1000 elinye. Touch the glove, play donuts. Play caps, play galaxies. Danko. Let's go. Asimshiyeni ibhadu uzama ukushaya bani. Danko. Let's go. Let's go, bafethu asihambeni. It's times 2. And show. Let's move. Let's move, guys. Danko, asiye noma 3000 cause usanga sniper. Sibaleke sohlala noma 3. Baba wami ngibambe. Ufuna ukwenzani? Ufuna ukusniper? Ufuna induku? Sizokushaya. Asiye noma 3. Ufuna induku? Sizokushaya. How? What? Wait, guys. Buhle Zama Ndoni Yamanzi is playing against us. What? Manini bafethu. Ngiya-understand siyamudla ugele. Khona into eqeda kungiphula inhliziyo ngenye indlela njengamanje. Buhle Ndoni Yamanzi Zama is playing against us.
Somebody can come from a place and give me a rose to activate speed. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Why?
Huh?
Why? Why can't someone come from a place to give me a rose to activate speed? She's not playing against you. She just gave me a rose to activate my speed. I was looking for one more rose. One more. Is she playing? She didn't even play against you now. So
For even that, why?
You can, yeah. Why can't your team member give a rose, one rose to activate speed? That's not a
For
problem
what?
because my team members do. But to activate speed, my team members do it. I even tell them sometimes, oh, if you can't activate, if somebody is playing for you, go and help them activate the speed and come back and play. So you calling her out, that's not it. Because she can actually give rose.
She's playing
Yeah.
against me.
She's not playing against you. She only gave rose for speed. Did she
Who?
play?
To
No.
who? To who?
To me. I needed
Exactly.
speed. Guys, I
You're
need one
playing
more
against
rose,
who?
one more rose. And she hears and gives me a rose. You think that's a problem? I don't think that's a problem.
That's
because
a problem. You can't
how can
be
that be a problem?
on my team and then go defend on the other side. That doesn't make any sense.
She's not defend, man. If I tell you send someone from your team to give me a rose, you won't do that.
Nami, you got yourself a glove and a
Huh?
hammer.
I'm
Tuli, you
asking
got
you.
yourself a
So,
glove.
Sipo, if I tell you send me someone to give me a rose from your team, you won't do that for me.
Why? You're playing against me. For you
We
to
do it
win
every,
against
like,
me.
that means you're not a streamer because every time we say, oh, go and activate the speed for them so that we can play.
That means I'm not a streamer. That's fine. A streamer, that's fine. I will never send backup for people to beat me. That doesn't make any sense.
Not beat you, but so you rather one person
To
play and the
activate
other side
speed
doesn't
on
play.
your side, I'm
Yes.
giving you.
One
Listen,
rose.
if you did not get speed and I got speed, that means I'm gonna win. So if someone from my side
So okay,
goes to
so
your
if you
side,
don't think it's boring that there's somebody ready to play here, but we don't have the speed, you cannot play. It will give you a good game too. Why do you
Doesn't
want to be
make
playing by yourself?
Don't try to be defensive. Have
No, I'm
Bushle.
not
That's
defensive. That's the truth. Because so many streamers
don't
do it.
try to
That's the truth.
defend nothing here.
I'm
She
not.
played against us.
She did not play against you. She gave me roses for speed. I'm defending her because, yeah. Anyway,
Bread butter on both sides. Imagine.
I'm really surprised because many times you say, "Oh, he cannot get his speed." Guys, go and give him a rose to get his speed. People like all the time. I hear it
That's
all the time.
you.
So I'm
That's
surprised.
you, which is very fine. Not me.
Okay, if you say so. Wonkobo, how are you doing? Wonkobo, please stay around and see if you can give me rose.
Angazi ngizwe yeah. I think lama games lawa I heartbreak Hannah in a way. 3 roses, guys, to reach the targets. Thank you so much, guys. Bongami, Bothuli, Bozizi, thank you, Bolihle, and everyone. All my MVP. I'm sorry I forgot to thank you all. Thank you so much for reaching the target. Who is going to play for that speed if they can't even? Nah, it's fine, man. It's fine. But zia hetan. Imagine mhlambe nje having to see uThuli ahambe odlala ngale edlala eshaya thina. It's like that. Ubuhle phela from scratch sihamba naye. Namhlanje uyanodlala ubonya thina. Heartbreak. Put your glove on. Put your glove on. Put your glove on. Put your glove on. Oh yeah, what's a destiny helper? Put your glove on, please. Lihle. Somebody has to put a glove on. Nami no Buhle. No, yeah, there is a glove on, guys. Touch the glove. Let's play. Touch the glove. Let's move very high. Thank you so much, Thuli. Let's go, guys. A galaxy would do here. A galaxy would do here. A galaxy would do. Gun machine. Or even a gun machine per se. Yeah. Let's play gun machine on a glove. Real quick, but for 10 seconds. A gun machine on a glove. A money gun. Come on. 3 seconds. Money gun on the glove, guys. Buga shalom umuntu manje. Asimsondeleni ke madoda singamiyeki. Singamiyeki ke madoda ke singamiyeki. Ngavele ngaset kwathi ngivale ngisho live ngendlela engisethe ngayo manje. Asimhubheni madoda useduze. Yazi sokwenza njani? Ungami uyakwazi ukufaka iglove. Osho ngikufundise. Do you know how to put your glove on? Maria ongafika kusize if the split is unlocked. Maria ongafika kusize if the split is unlocked. Okay. Ngiyabuya. Ngifuna noma 8 amaglove bese sibalanda bonke. Alright ncane. Ngicela ulifake iglove ku last 30 seconds. Thina abanye bafethu asidlaleni simsondele phela ngama donuts. Come on. Asimsondele nje ukuze sizodlala ini noma imani gani ku last 30 seconds ngeglove. Ngiyacela madoda. Ngicela madoda. Hayi, uya understand. Come on guys, let's chase. How? Somuntu angasidlona. Qala siphuca abadlali bethu. Siyasidla. Come on. Stand up Zizi. Stand up Ncami. Stand up Lihle. Stand up Lisa. Stand up Asekhona. Come on. Tina double. Fake glove Ncami. Put your glove on. Tina abanye. Let's play, guys. Nansi glove, guys. There's a glove on. Please play donuts on the glove. Donuts on the glove. Many donuts on the glove. Ne gun machine eyodwa. Just one gun machine on the glove, guys. Just one gun machine on the glove. Please, bafethu. Ongafaka nje gun machine asikwazi ukudlula le ntombazana usedelele kakhulu. I-gun machine kwi-glove bafethu. I-gun machine madoda. Hawu babhemu. Naze namiyeka lo muntu eseyise kangaka. Ish. Yes. All right, thank you for the matches.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the armor and the timer. Wonkobo, you have my armor.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Kodwa ngihate. Yazi how ngaze ngahate. How? Sisho Buhle. Imagine phela ukuthi le mpahla kaBuhle. Buhle is one to sell car cash. Yes, I do. I do both finance and cash and step payment. Abanga Obuhle is one of the people engibasendela live. Uma ngi-live ngiyabasendela like share with the live to Obuhle because ngiyazi makukhona Obuhle I'm safe and secured. Yo,
I don't know how you explain it.
say how are you? Hi.
Hello, Sibao.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
It's a very, very interesting topic.
My budget is 108 in Dingafumana. Yeah, you can get something. Ngena ku-inbox wami nje sixoxe. We can cook something. Come on guys, let's go. Uthi simenzeni? Angazi mhlawumbe sixabene. I'm not aware. I don't know. Or maybe she was just being generous. I don't know. Noma ungene ku live ngeside el wrong akabonanga ukuthi ungene ngale. I don't know. Maybe your friend yakhe let her be. Yeah, most probably. Let's go guys. Double tap the screen. Let's move. Kodwa ngihate ngifuna ukungasho. Ndine glove bot undixelele uba ndiyifake. Okay. Oh yeah, ngiyakhumbula usho. Ngicela ucheck ukuthi aka expire yini. She's just a destiny helper. Okay. Yeah, she's a destiny helper. Shuthi angikho ehead. Ngi-right. Shuthi ngijabulile. Guys, there's gonna be a ×3. There's gonna be ×3 coming. Or maybe ubethi uyokoba wathinta le arrows. Una gifts, please double tap the screen. Onga gifts at double tap. Yes. 3 roses, guys. Let's reach the targets, please. Uyithola kanjani iglove kulama competition and how to use it. If udlale kakhulu ematchini masenda ama gifts amakhulu amaningi wena uthola iglove kwimatch. Nokuphuma ama glove awu2 noma elilodwa kuyenza yabe u3 manidlale nonke kakhulu. Yabo nje maningadlala kakhulu nje manje kule match ubone. Gift a lot, like more donuts. Guys, it's ×3. Put your glove on, Tando. Put your glove on, Tando. Tando, put your glove on. Tina Banya, we're gonna play donuts, not roses. Not roses. What? I have never seen such. Who the fuck is this? John Wick. Yeah, ne? Okay, it's fine. Let's play our targets, guys. Touch the glove. Let's go. Asidlale nje imatch yethu ngendlela yethu. Ngesimfice lo muntu. Double tap the screen, touch the glove sambeni. Asidlale singamoshi glove bafethu. Asenzeni useful glove. Yes, asenzeni useful glove ngama donuts nje. Thank you so much for playing so much. Nomfundo, I appreciate that. Lo muntu vele ngesamthola. So asidlale nje on our pace. Let's go. At least let's target 3000 nathi. Singadliwa ngathi bese ngekho. Come on, let's go. Ukuphi umthobisi makunje. Kade ngamgcina mshereleni live. Let's play. Thank you so much Nomfundo. You're such a big player today. Asidlale nje target yethu bafethu. Target yethu thina sibekele 3000. Asidle sikhona. Angasidli ngathi asibonakali. Ngeke. Thank you so much. Double tap the screen. Let's go. Double tap the screen. Let's go. Itarget yethu thina sikayifici ke kodwa ke. Eka 3000 coins. How? Ngenza lokhu njani manje wallpaper ngale.
This is funny.
Nimkhumbule lo bafethu. Lo igama lakhe Sky. Yambo Sky Angel. Remember this name, guys. Remember this name. I like how you're not putting pressure on people. No, but sayibona impesi ngesiyibili. Sayibona. So yeah, guys.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much. Like,
Ningalikhohlwa igama lalo.
I'm not of word. I'm speechless.
Come on, somebody snipe us 3,000 nights. Somebody snipe us 3,000. Target here to pay lag. At least let's reach our target. Let's reach our target. Somebody snipe this. Sphere with target here. Sizombamba lo. Akamazuzungu masefike ngamandla. Lo. Akamazuzungu mayikafika ngamandla. Akamazuzungu mayesefikile Nkosi yami weshwele. Weshwele. Man, thank you so much for the match. Shout out to your team. Shout out to your sniper. That was a good move.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
MVP ngiyabonga kakhulu madoda. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Nathi ke sambeni sokwenzani? So keep isibongo. Ngabanye futhi abantu sizobathola phambili. Asambe so keep isibongo kwabanye futhi abantu sizobathola phambili. Do we have power? Do we have power? Asikhuphe umuntu nathi simbulala. Sesishayiwe nathi askip isibongo. Nathi askip isibongo. Nathi askip isibongo. Fane nabanye abantu nawo uqoke kahle ngize ngaphelele ejele. Ngazama ngahluleka mntanami. Nathi asikhuphe umuntu simshaya. Into ezosiphoqa ukuthi ukhuphe umuntu simshaya. Share the live to all the snipers and waziyo. Share the live. Jamanje asikhuphe umuntu simshaya simluma ikhanda. Nathi sishayiwa kumnandi. Sishayiwe akumnandi lo sizombamba Sky. Uhlale vela lapha phezulu kimi. Uzobopha indolo. Angidliwa kanje nabo ngibuza kwabanye. Angidliwa nje kanje mina. Wena umsniper kanje? Yena umsnipile kakhulu. So, we're going to come back with full power, with full force. Sizombamba. Sidlalile noLiz thina. So wabula nangu Mathemba. Hello, hi.
Hi.
Have a good one. Yazi makungena uMathemba namathemba mayabuya. Ngongena nje kwakho Mathemba sekubuye namathemba kimi. Guys asidlaleni ke ibambisane madoda siyeni kubo. Asiyeni kubo. Hawu kusakhona ulihle khona nomfundo khona uLisa khona uSigcebe hawu khona uNcami hawu khona noMathemba akya wemfowethu ithemba lami libuyile makungena wena awungenzela umlingo kade ngidliwe ngo-18,000 coins njengamanje nami ngicane ngikhokhisela kwabanye abantu. Ishmael, thank you for following me. Ishmael, come on guys, let's go. Come on guys, let's go. Asidlaleni sonke madoda, asidlaleni sonke. Ayise, thank you so much. Follow Ayise. Double tap the screen bafethu. Double tap the screen asambeni. Azama. Adim okudo a. I don't understand that, but salute. I was saying salute. Let's move, guys. There's gonna be times 3. There's gonna be times 3, guys. Let's snipe high. Can we also win someone? Because what we just got right now was not nice. There was such a real hiding. Reach the targets, please. Reach the targets, please. Target. Please reach the target. Come on, somebody send the rose. Thank you so. Ha! Nomfundo asukile lezo. Uthi nje i-target ngizoyireacha ngekepisi. Wena nomfundo awuwaqhulule lamakepisi. Yazenze njani nomfundo? Ungasenda amakepisi amaningi. Faka imani gane yodwa. Wafaka imani gane sohlala 1.8. iMannequin ngisho yes. Yeah, iMannequin. Sonke thina guys asidlale nje Mannequins and caps. Asambeni. Oyedwa nje akadlala iMannequin. Noma Mannequin awu2 bese kuba amakepisi nama donuts. Everybody play. Thank you so much Lihle for your hearts. Let's go guys. Let's support Lihle. We on a mission. Mannequin bafethu. Sifuna gun machine. Gun machine. Come on guys, somebody snipe with a gun machine. Lokho kuzosivulela ithuba lokuthi angakwazi ukubuya bafethu. Asambeni madoda gun machine. Lethana ama donuts ke ngoba gun machine ngathi ayikho. Ama donuts nama kepisi. Let's go. Donuts and caps. Bafethu 16 seconds. Donuts guys, donuts. Donuts guys, come on, play. Donuts and caps. Donuts and caps. Ish, my favorite. But we tried. Thank you so much. Let's keep going. Inkinga nje angimthembi manje. That's why bangifuna iMannequin lapha. Angimthembi. Unama snipers amakhulu. Uno level 29 on her side. No level 20. So abantu abanga sniper noma inini lapha. Mina no level bani. What's the biggest level I have la on my side guys? Nomfundo level ba 15. But you are gift table. Funa khushulu. Come on guys, let's go. Nimgadeke ngesekhenjana lokugcina. Hayi. Aba sniper umhlola abanqeni vele bathi 1.8. Nemugade uno level 20 bani 29 Nemugade ngicela sibe at least above 1.5. Ngesabi sniper singaqhuma la siyoba buhlungu enhlizweni. Asambeni. Everybody play donuts and caps guys. 30 seconds to go. Everybody play donuts and caps. Asambeni. Bafethu, come on. Bayasibuka isikole sethu. Engavela khuphule nje kancane lapha enambeni yethu. At least sihlale noma 1.5. Kanje. Danko. Let's go. Thank you so much for the match. Thank you so much. Nomfundo, you got yourself a glove. Lihle, you got yourself a glove. Thank you to my MVP. Thank you to the double tappers. Thank you to everyone who was sharing the live and playing with us. Sinama glove ke manje. So yonke le nto besiyenza sizoyidoublesha ngeglove. Shengani ushenge. Asha umuntu nathi shayiwe manje mangifaka iglove ku time 3 lizosebenza. Yebo kuphindeka kaningi kakhulu ke lapha. Lalela ngitshela isecret. Ufaka iglove ku times 3 bese udlala ama donuts amaningi. Yabo uma ufaka ama donuts awu5 elandelana. Aphindeka ka times 5 kalawo ma donuts. Bese kuba u times 3 lo lapha ezantsi. Hello, how are you?
Hello, قلبك كلام يا بنجير سلام.
Yebo fethu lo muntu nama streaks awu12. Usewine ka12 madoda nimgade uyingozi kakhulu. Asithatheni yonke lama streaks. Nangu khanyi. Hawu khanya uzanga kimi ungibona. Bazongicasula. Guys asenzeni siyawuthatha lama streaks lawo madoda awu12. Oh come on Zonation. Snash. Khona 27 lana awuqeda kungena ngimbonile. Guys come on let's go. Times 2 njengamanje. Ama donuts nje sidlale ngama donuts. Ku times 2 dlala ngama donuts. Come on. Hey bafethu asithatheni lama streaks laba bhem awungeke madoda. Awungeke madoda awu. Yo. Yazi wenzani lo muntu lo ugifta kanye ame engabe sadlule. Uyazi senze njani kuzoba lo times something ozoba ukhona is times 2 noma times 3 so faka iglove ngithi kuyi glove sambe ngama gun machines of 500 coins kodwa maku times 2 noma times 3 kuyi glove izothi 5000 ayodwa nje gun machine izothi 5000 you understand so thina abanye yeah times 3 so faka iglove sithinte ilokhu njani igift ye money gun izovele iphindeke kawu3 plus iglove 5000 loyo simficini bafethu lo times 12 lo ngiyanithemba singawushaya wonke masingangena nje futhi ama money gun awu3 kwiglove mhlawumbe uncamathi money gun ulokhu njana nomfundo noma naye athi money gun omunye naye angilibona iglove okay wenza njena ke iglove wenomfundo thinta igift le ibox yama gift duze kwayo khona exclusive ngale ka exclusive khona into encane evela lapho yezo uthinta lonto leyo kuzovela iglove pink lapho so you touch the box ye gifting khona exclusive awuthinta ngale ka exclusive khona into encane 1 rose to go 1 rose bafethu 1 rose somebody send 1 rose please somebody send 1 rose guys thank you so much for reaching the target Pam Faith and Works are inseparate linked. Genuine. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. Guys, faki glove njengamanje. Put the glove on. Put the glove on. Put the glove on lihle. Ulitholile glove nawe lihle nje. Nakho ke glove isikhona bafethu. Lama money gun ebengiwasho. Lama money gun ebengiwasho ke madoda. Touch the glove thina abanye sihambeni ngama donuts. Uthinta iglove hamba ngama donuts. Abantu abangasifakela ama money gun amabili nje bafethu. Nakho ke nebo isikuphi manje phinda enye money gun ke futhi ubani ufaka money gun ulihle omunye futhi ongafaka money gun please guys real quick bafethu money gun madoda samiyeka lo muntu eseduze kanje nimiyeka kanjani lo muntu awubafethu ish afidle lo abastress lana besizowathatha lawana ebesizowalanda abastress ya ish plus ngale bafethu gift umuntu oyedwa nje level 36. You know what's the biggest level enginayo la nje manje? Engifta. Ulihle nje manje olidayo level 20. Nomfundo level 15. Mamcholi okay level 6. I think ulihle was a big level ekhona njengamanje. Asife noma 2000 ke bafethu akasidle noma ngo-half okungenani asikadliwa ngathi asikangithandi nabasidli bengasihloniphi at least asife noma 2000 sidliwe ngenhlonipho please come on asidliwe ngerespect okungenani asife nje noma 2 hawu khona iglove bafethu touch the glove sambeni nge-diving whale nje whale noma igalaxy bafethu whale noma igalaxy madoda whale samama nje whale noma igalaxy madoda whale noma igalaxy bafethu shit esamzami yezwa ayiziyabonga ezakwazungu ayiziyabonga thank you so much that was a good move who is that ubantu bedlala kangaka ulihle afuna uzungu ubani ofuna uzungu
mina mfethu
yeah
sina poloza nje isinye yakho phela le
uyisina nabani wena namhlolo yami
ngike ushintsho enduni izolo nomaya wangibele ngimthola
thanda ngikukhombisa ukuthi ngingaphandle kanjani buke la
okay close ngidle irush lakhe ngidondile
anginangisho 2 rand ebank njengoba ubona bekusele no 142 rand
izimbongo lesifana nazo
ngahamba ngayophatha isupix kwathiwa 139 rand wasala 2 rand ngifucked up nje mfethu ngifucked up
no problem
hade nje yami sala sadliwa la kumuntu ongikhulumisa how ungijange hema ngikushayela lokho ufuna ukushawa sezokushayela lokho ke kuno times 3 ozayo nkabi zami ufuna simgxobele ukuthi ushaye ngehema anicingeni nina akekho nehema kini by scheme I have to go back lapho buhle buhle hamba emva kwale mina lihle mina yabo ukuthi ubuhle ngilimazile bukani namanje saduma ubuhle ekhanda lami lihle hamba emva kwale match lena sizosijwayela ngiyabona amaroza u3 madoda shoda amabili come on madoda how sesizophinda sisokolele futhi irose hawu kahle nina azoganga ke ufuna sidlwe ngamabomu ke manje shoda yodwa irose ongakayisende madoda ngashona ngikho right kwenza njani manje guys 1 rose phela si-reach target thank you so much Lwandle ngiyathanda ukungisokolisa makumele si-reach target what happened guys it's times 3 akakhona glove I think ulihlusa nalo iglove khona iglove elisakhona alikho iglove likhona asambe ngamakepisi ke madoda Mama money guns and caps. Money guns and caps. Money guns and caps. Let's go. Let's go. Hayi madoda come on. Times 3 lona. Hawu na uyeka nje. Bakwenza kale nthuli. Siyamiyeka vele. That's the plan. Siyamiyeka. Danko. Mthulist. Ningabe nisamiyeka ke madoda. Ningabe nisamiye yabona manje ke ningabe nisalokotha nimiyeke. Everybody akadla. What the fuck? Slana slim. Awa.
Salip yok. Biz kazandık. Biz kazandık. Ay, kral helal olsun. Konuşmayı bıraktı çocuk.
I know sakomunye. So shayo munye ayikile nje. Hawu.
Çocuk konuşmayı bıraktı şu an.
Uyahleka nomfazi.
Nedir diyor bence.
Hadi
Bu ne
mki.
soruyor çocuk.
Yenza njani imponqulu?
Ne yapacağız şimdi? Ne yapacağız şimdi?
Imponqulu emloyi.
Rengi beyazladı diyor, rengi beyazladı. Sibon. Helal olsun Ömer be.
Uyangihleba. Nanguzama i-MVP yakhe check i-gifts galari. Ya i-MVP yakhe ngibonile. Weza hawuzama ukhona awusilekeleli. Kanti la endlini khona abantu abaningi kangaka ngaze ngaphatheka kabi. Olulu nyathi bakhona. Ozama bakhona. Hawu madoda. Kunini zama sithi siyabuya yena nje. Kurong ukuthi indoda ube no 2 rand ebank. That's not nice. Hello. You good?
I'm good.
Playing matches?
Yeah, sure. We can play the match. I just started.
Yeah, same as me. It's my first match.
Oh, okay, nice.
Asemgqibeni. Double tap the screen, guys. ×2, let's
Do
move.
you hear me?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, I said your hair was scrunched. Like, you could pull your hair out. You
Yeah,
remember
it
me?
is. Yeah.
Yeah, you remember. You should actually, I'll not follow you. And then we can, like, battle another time.
All right, so
Because
I
this
followed
is the
you.
second time you see me.
Yeah, I followed you. We're gonna play again.
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay.
And then I can give
Guys,
you a
let's move.
game.
Double tap the screen.
Everyone?
Asibuye singadidiseki. Asambeni madoda.
Do you have
Double tap the screen bafowethu. Nanguphila, thank you so much for your heart me. There's gonna be a ×3 bafethu. Ngazathi singawuphinda lo yamlingo. Nithe akekho nje osaneglove. Nithe akekho neglove, guys. Mayikhona iglove ngicela ku-speed mase siqalile siyifake. 2 roses to reach the target, please. Just simple 2 roses to reach the what? The target. Send rose more, I send. Thank you so much. Ngidinga-ke bafethu senze umlingo-ke. U×3 lo zoqala. One glove bafethu. Uthando nje obe neglove. Uthando akaze asayifaka glove yakhe. Uthando akaze ayifaka glove yakhe. But-ke guys, gun machines, galaxies, whales, anything major bafethu. Sivele sigxume sindize kulomlungu bakithi. Naye lo uyayidliwela akanaso istrick, so asizameni ukuthi sibuyise istrick ngaye sithola amaglove ngaye. Yabo nje kulo ×3 ngiyacela manje usuzoqala babhemi. Nakha uqala ×3 bafethu. Ngicela ama caps, ama donuts, ama galaxy, ama whales. Come on, let's go. Asambeni madoda. Asibambisane nihlale sonke nje. Abake bawuzwe nje umsindo wezungu nation ukuthi unzima kangakanani. ×3 uzophela madoda. 23 seconds to go, bafethu. Come on. Ay, ngeke madoda masingadlali kanje. I think this is gonna be my last match. Ngivale bafethu because ngeke. Because what do you mean we have a ×3 but we're not even nowhere? Yeah, match yokugcina le bafethu ngizavala manje. So dlala masesinamandla. Sesinamandla. Akekho omunye sozabikho. Yeah, so dlala uma sesilokhu nje. Yeah, eyokugcina le madoda.
Hi, Kenneth Connolly.
Let's go, guys. What are you clocking in?
Your what do you call it? The
Whistling.
whistling. Yeah, you were really good. I can't whistle. I have to like breathe in.
No, thank you, man. This was my
All
last match
right.
of the day. Thank
All
you.
right. It's my first match of the day.
All right.
Good night. Good
Good night. Good night, Emina Ngagamfaz. Mbulazo Mnyama, you got yourself a glove. Please save it. We're gonna play once again. Tamba, guys, I need to charge this phone. I'm on 8% currently. I'm not saying lambile futhi. Semele ngifunda ukudla ngeke. Ngiyafa indlala.